Music notes allow us to communicate messages to other people, to be able to speak about music and have another person on the other side of the world be able to play the same exact thing. We talked a little bit about rhythm before, but now we're going to connect rhythm to lines on what we call a stave so that they have a specific pitch. The health benefit of all of this goes back to communications, because at the end of the day, we're trying to communicate our heart to other people, and being able to use notes to communicate this is a beautiful way to communicate something that's really difficult to do with words, communicating emotion. Sometimes when we have a really difficult time explaining how we're feeling, being able to use a whole bunch of notes together and being able to say that, hey, this is actually how I feel, helps us be able to communicate, at least to ourselves, that this is how I feel. Maybe this is a good starting point for me. At least that's what I've been able to use in my life. Note letters have a specific type of pattern. They start at A, like the beginning of the alphabet, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it goes back to A. On the piano, the A note actually happens over here with A, B, and then it goes around to the other side, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, and then it repeats again back at A. Many times when people are being taught piano, we always start with the letter C. However, I want to teach you starting with the letter A because not every single instrument starts with the letter C. So this will help you be able to communicate with other musicians who play other instruments. Okay, cool cat, that is today's lesson. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day.